If you care about your health and do not want to ignore the small habits that shape your future, please watch this carefully. As we grow older, the foods we choose begin to matter more. After 40, heart health, blood pressure, and brain function become increasingly important. Today, let's talk about something surprising: dark chocolate, not candy, not milk chocolate loaded with sugar, but real dark chocolate, rich in cocoa. Dark chocolate contains powerful plant compounds called flavonoids. These natural antioxidants help support healthy blood flow and protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. For adults over 40, this becomes especially important. Healthy circulation supports both the heart and the brain. Some research suggests that moderate consumption of dark chocolate may help support balanced blood pressure and improved vascular function. Another quiet benefit of dark chocolate is its potential support for cognitive performance. Improved blood flow to the brain can support focus and mental clarity. Dark chocolate may also influence mood. It contains natural compounds that can support the production of feel-good neurotransmitters. This does not mean it replaces healthy habits, but in moderation, it can be part of a balanced lifestyle. The key is choosing chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa, with minimal added sugar. Portion size matters. A small square a day is enough. Dark chocolate is not meant to replace meals. It is meant to support them. Its strength lies in moderation and consistency. Small daily habits, even enjoyable ones, can contribute to long-term stability for the heart and brain. If this information has been helpful, and you want more calm, science-based explanations about everyday foods that support your health after 40, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, a simple like helps more people discover balanced and trustworthy health content. Take care of your health, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.